Welcome to another form design tip. Today's topic is images, in particular, dynamic images. Images are used for a variety of reasons in form building. You might provide your user with a graph paper background to easily sketch designs, or you might show an image of how an inspection item's condition is expected to appear. Many forms include a logo in the header. Our focus today is to dynamically load images based on a value chosen by the user. In my work order form, we ask the user to choose a client. I would like to load a logo based on the selection. In my example, the logo loaded in 3 fields. This is because I created 3 different ways to bring in this image. When the client changes, the logos update. Let's take a look at the design. First of all, you must have a data source where these images are stored. I have a list of companies with their logo stored in an image column. Now in the form itself, let's review the client selection field. This is a choices field connected to the company's data source. The display value and the value stored is the company name from column 0. 2 of the 3 logos that loaded in the form refer to this choices field. The first logo is using the binding method. Scroll to the bottom of the properties and find the Bind to Data Source column feature. The first dropdown is the data source. The second dropdown is the Client Choices field. The third dropdown is the column in the data source where the logo is stored. The second logo is using the Dynamic Image feature. We are referring to the data name of the Client Choices field. Then, in square brackets, we refer to the logo image column, which is 18. And finally, here is a third way to dynamically load an image. As the previous method, we are using the Dynamic Image feature. Here, we retrieve the image directly from the data source using the value chosen in the Client Choices field. In the DS_FIRST function, there are 3 parameters. First, you need the data source ID, which is the external ID. The next parameter is the image column. The last parameter is a filter. We want the logo where column 0, the client name, equals the client that was chosen by the user. There you have it. 3 easy ways to dynamically load images based on a user selection. I hope you find value with the concepts shared in this video. As always, please reach out to our support team with any questions that you might have. They are ridiculously helpful. Looking forward to seeing you again next time.